Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how easy you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open notification bar, then open it another time, just like that. Then pull it to last page, click on the edit, and as you can see here we can easily adjust these icons. For example, if you want to get screen recorder on the upper section, you have to click hold and then put it here. If you want to remove one of the icons, for example maybe nearby share, just make it like that. And if you want to add other icons like focus mode, just make it like that. It's very simple. Then click down, and as you can see all changes are saved. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.